Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Quick video today. I had to take the axle nut off of this bus, but it's a 3/4 drive socket. I don't have anything 3/4, so we make something to work. I got the recommendation to quench it, so once I did the finish welding, I dumped it in some used motor oil. And I just left it here until I could touch it again without it being too hot. Probably like 30 minutes, 20 minutes or something. So I would pull it out frequently, and if it was still hot, put it back in. So they fought me the whole way, and I did bend the bar, but using another tire iron for leverage, I was able to get them off without too much problem. Alright, that's it. We've come to the end of the video now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, I ask you to go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and it worked out well for both sides, so that worked out awesome. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.